This is what I wanted to gift myself on my birthday.
I hate my birthdays, but this year it was different. I wanted to celebrate. I wanted to stay close to nature with some basic, unique, authentic experiences. No luxuries. So I packed my bag and went searching for peace in the Northeast India. A place where basic and peace are found together. This is the most beautiful village in Nagaland. The lives are slow paced, no rush, yet active for all necessities. An authentic Naga house is my home for this birthday. The people here wake up early in the morning, work in the paddy fields, grow vegetables, green tea, knitting shawls with such detailing. Keeping the surrounding clean, they even have their animal farms, poultry, all with the help of Mother Nature. This is Jotsoma. A place where I found peace.
Welcome to Nagaland. Good morning from Jotsoma, which is a very cute little village between Konoma and Kohima. And right now I am wearing a traditional Naga outfit. This right here is Chicha and this one is Fee. So you're staying at a proper authentic Naga house, and the residents over here are really lovely and they are the amazing hosts I have ever met. They will welcome you like you belong here, and honestly we feel so much connections with Northeast even before coming here. I used to think that they probably eat this, do this, think this about us or the whole world, but that's not true. That's completely wrong. They love people, they welcome people like you belong here. Right now I'm standing here at a cute, not a balcony, but yeah, something like you can take the view of Pulebadze Peak, that's a Zafre Peak. I'm already loving Nagaland. I think I should come back again here in Nagaland.
The peak from my homestay was calling me out. Pule Badse, off-beat trekking route in Nagaland. To see Jotsoma from above, I took the trails of Pule Badse.
On the way to Pule Peak, it will take another 45 minutes or so, but the roads are really steep. Sometimes you have to crawl your way up, but sometimes it's only stairs. This is the reason why I chose this destination for my birthday, because I wanted to come out of my comfort zone. All these basic things, close to nature, everything I love. Really excited to see how it looks from the Pulu Peak, which is claimed to be 4th highest peak of Nagaland. So I'm really excited to see the whole view from there, the panoramic view from there. So yeah, super excited. The sunlight is also not so harsh. Oh, what an amazing time to be here. Yeah, happy birthday to me.
And every step that I take, I pause, look at the surroundings, and remind myself how blessed I am to be here.
have come like 75-80% of the trek, and the remaining 20-25% is the uphill that you can see over here. When we talk about Nagaland, the first thing that comes to mind is Zuku Valley, obviously, but these are also the places that offer such magnificent views. You get the same sort of experience, but it's just a half-day sort of trek. So yeah, absolutely recommend it so far. Probably I will highly recommend like 200% once I reach there, because the view will be awesome. This is worth trekking for. And this view wow. And this is Mount Pulibadze, which is at 2300 meters. Whew. One short trek, but definitely very, very fun. And I'm so excited to see the view from up. Let's go. We did it! কি সুন্দর লাগছে। Oof. This is exactly why I have come here for my birthday. So this, exactly here is the moment that I wanted to gift myself on my birthday. This peaceful vibe along with this amazing views and some of the less explored areas. This is why I have come here. It's not about the place, but it's about the feeling. You know, like একটু চুপ করে থাকলে লিটারালি সব শোনা যাচ্ছে, পুরো ফরেস্ট ভাইবস অ্যান্ড পাহাড়ের একটা ফ্রেশ এয়ার অ্যান্ড এভরিথিং ইজ সুপার সুপার পিসফুল হিয়ার। So grateful for this life and happy birthday to me. Yay.
The view from Pulibadze was beyond expectation. Some places are not just places, they are feelings. On the way back, this beautiful sunset on a cloudy sky felt like everything. Until my host sang a song for me, which made my day the happiest. Good morning from Jotsoma, the most beautiful village in Nagaland. Even while coming here, I was not so sure whether I would like this offbeat village or not, how the experience would be. But here I am, calling this cute green house my home. My feet are outside for a reason, and exploring this village.
Museum.
What does it mean, Pete?
Pardon?
This? Mithun?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, 10 kgs minimum. If I can bicep curl, then it is not 10 kgs. Hammer curl. Okay, 7.5. Yeah, because I can do hammer curl. These are all shawls, right? This is the local rice, so they cultivate here in the paddy fields, and the one we had in the homestay, it was like the sticky ones, very healthy, like easy to digest. Some places are feelings, and Jotsoma is a feeling. The happiness in the air, slow-paced life, the smiling faces, no rush, sustainable lifestyle with only basic needs. Don't we all want to live like this? This basic life is something I want to live every day. You know, I hate my birthdays. But this year, Nagaland changed my mind.